Hey guys, and welcome to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to use the image prompt on Leonardo AI. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to app.leonardo.ai and log in right now. Once you've logged in, you will be viewed something like this. Now to use the image prompt, right here at the top right of the screen, you will see something like create new image. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna redirect you to this page, that is AI image generation. Well, here's the text box right here, simply enter your prompt. Now you can directly generate, or you can also look at all these features right here. Here are some fine-tuned models as well. You can simply select on this fine-tuned model button right here, and you can select from anyone among here. Here's this button named as dynamic as well. You can click on it, and there are lots of options you can choose from. You can also add negative prompt. You simply need to toggle on this button. In here, you simply type things that you don't want to see in the image. I'm gonna type something as an example. Now this is kind of the gist of it. You can also enable or disable this element section of CGI Noir. We're simply gonna click on this generate button right here, and it says it will take about 12 tokens. Well, let's generate. It's gonna take some time, and as you can see, the images have been successfully generated. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you use the image generation prompt in Leonardo AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.